Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel Shade and Shine. Hope you all are doing great and Shubh Deepavali to all of you. Hope you all are enjoying with your family. So in today's video the crackers are burning outside. Hope my voice is loud enough so that you can hear. I'm not using a mic, I'm just shooting with my phone. In today's video I am going to show you a DIY that you can do using basic things that you might already have at your home, and most of the time we just throw those things. So these are some of the spoon cum fork that we receive during when we order food from outside, right? So when we are ordering from outside, at home we use our steel fork and spoon. So this was all kept. I have not thrown these, so I have used these spoons to make a tea light candle. It's really very beautiful when the outcome, the result, the final result that I got was very beautiful. Let me just show you before we start with the DIY the final result. So this is how it looks like, as you can see here. See, this I have painted with, first I have done spray painting, then I have painted with golden fabric paint. So this is my tea light. So this is how it looks like, and this is, you can put the tea light here and it looks really very beautiful. Let me just show you, then we'll start with the DIY. And if you also have this kind of spoons lying around at your home, then you can try this. And if you're gonna try, please don't forget to tag me on my Instagram. I would love to see your DIY, and if you have any other ideas you can share with me. I also would love to try that. So friends, without any further ado, let's start the video. Oh wait, before starting the video, please do consider subscribing this channel, and also please do like this video if you like it at the end, and also please share with your friends, family. This would mean a lot to me. So yeah friends, let's start with the DIY. So here I have taken these plastic sporks. These we get when we order food from outside, and we don't end up using these, and we just throw this away when we order food at home, right? We use steel forks as I mentioned earlier. So what I did was, I didn't throw this away, I just kept it, and today I'm using this to do a DIY, that is tea light candle stand. So what I have done, I have cut the handle of the sporks, and the way how you can see in the screen here, I have taken this cardboard and Fevicol, and I'm going to stick this in this way. So yeah, let's get started. First I am just taking out some Fevicol and just apply it in the cardboard, the way how I am doing it. Now take the sporks and then press it to the cardboard in this way so that it gets stick well. The second one also we are going to add in this way. So I am taking some Fevicol and then applying it to the cardboard, and then again just stick the second one. So it should be in a circular fashion so that it comes in a circle. As you can see here, the first one, it has overlapped the second one because the size of these sporks were not same. There were two different shapes of spork. So this is how it looks like now. Now we'll move ahead and do spray painting, but before that you would see here I have this thermocol. So here this tea light will come. So I have this thermocol. I actually, at initial stage I thought of adding this thermocol, but later I have removed it. I have created a mess over here because when I did the spray painting, as you can see here, I am just spray painting this, the golden color spray painting, and when I did the spray painting, this thermocol, it just melted away. So I've removed this and just replaced with this cap. This is an Amul cap, friends. See, I have used all the things I could possibly think of. Here you can see it has fit very well. So in top of this cap I am going to place this cardboard. I am going to cut this in circular fashion and then stick it to the cap so that the heat does not come in direct contact to the plastic Amul cap. So here I am just going to stick it with the help of Fevicol glue and then stick it to the cap. Now we are going to apply glue to the circumference of the Amul Cool cap. To the cap circumference we are going to apply glue and then stick it to the stand that we have created, because as you can see here the circle, the inside part, since I have removed the thermocol as well, it's really looking a mess and even it's not spray painted. So I'm going to place this and this and going to hide the initial the inner part, so no need to color that because with the help of this cap it's hidden. So I have kept for drying. It has dried completely now. So I have done spray painting, but still I thought to get a glowy texture I am going to color with the help of this golden fabric paint. Just I am going to put another coat of golden color so that it looks more brighter, and also the top portion also I am going to color it as I am doing it here. Friends, if you gonna try this, and don't forget to tag me in Instagram. Just click a picture and tag me on my Instagram. The handle is over here in the screen. To the side of this cap stand, as you can see, I have painted copper color because I thought let me give a different texture. The same color, it does not look that great, and in top just to give some definition I have just done dots. It's as simple as that, friends. It just I made with few things that was lying around in my home. And now comes the final reveal. So here is how it looks like, friends. Isn't it beautiful? Do let me know in the comment section below. I have just used minimal things that was just lying around at my home. So here I can place my tea light. So this is how the look is, friends. You can be more creative and just play with colors, use different colors and all. So friends, that's it for this video. If you like this video, please do hit the like button, subscribe and do share with others. Bye bye. See ya until my next video.